Yakutsk is the capital of Sakha Republic, Yakutia. Since 1996, the largest Russian region, Sakha Republic, Yakutia, holds the International Sport Games Children of Asia. Young participants from Asian part of Russia, CIS, and Asian region take part in this sporting event. Yakutia is the coldest region in the northern hemisphere. Most of its territory is above the polar circle, on the permafrost zone. The minimum temperature is 71.2 degrees Celsius below zero. The republic is washed by the Laptev Sea on the north. Total territory area of the republic is over 3,103,000 square kilometers. The republic found over 100 items of various mineral resources. Yakutia is Russia's largest diamond province, which accounts for 90% stocks and 95% of the production. After a rough, long winter, in the midst of the summer solstice, due to ancient traditions, the entire republic's population meets a Sech. This is the celebration of life that was praised in an ancient heroic epos of Sakha people, Olonho. Yakut people's heroic epos Olonho was recognized as one of the most intangible heritage masterpieces of humanity, and from earliest times, valor and deeds of heroes were praised in Olonho. Sakha people worship strong and brave people like our heroes in ancient times. Leonid Spiridonov, Kazakhstan, freestyle wrestling Asian champion, medal winner of the International Sport Games Children of Asia. I became a winner of the International Sport Games Children of Asia in 1996. This was my first experience at international level. The first Games Children of Asia were held in 1996 to commemorate 100 years of modern Olympic movement. Competitions were held in 8 kinds of sports. The International Sport Games held an event of 224 medals among more than 250 young athletes from Kazakhstan, China, Korea, Mongolia, Thailand, Kyrgyzstan, Ajinburet Autonomous District, Buryatia, Tuva, and Yakutia. I took part in the first International Sport Games Children of Asia in 1996. Georgy Balakshin, Russia, Sakha Republic of Yakutia. Bronze medal winner of 29th Olympic Games in Beijing, 3 times European box champion, winner of the International Sport Games Children of Asia. I think that the idea of this International Sport Games Children of Asia is really good, because our children have an opportunity to show their achievements and to have an international experience of competition. Second International Sport Games Children of Asia were held in August 2000 in Yakutsk. They were attended by 1,178 young athletes from 23 regions of Russia and 13 foreign countries: Bangladesh, India, Kazakhstan, Korea, Kyrgyzstan, Malaysia, Mongolia, Republic of Korea, Singapore, Philippines, and Japan. Young sportsmen are closely related to sports, and I hope we'll stick to it for the whole life, because our future depends on how we'll raise our children. 129 sets of medals in 16 sports were competed for. Third International Sport Games Children of Asia were held under the patronage of International Olympic Committee in July 2004 in Yakutsk. 1,509 young athletes from 11 countries took part in the competition: Armenia, Vietnam, India, Indonesia, Kazakhstan, China, North Korea, Kyrgyzstan, Mongolia, Turkey, Thailand, and 26 Russian regions. 270 sets of medals and 17 sports were issued. Fourth Olympic Sport Games Children of Asia were organized and conducted under the auspices of the International Olympic Committee from 3rd to 13th July 2008 for 18 sports in 3 cities of Sakha Republic, Yakutia. The Olympic principles are the base of the International Sport Games and conducted jointly with the Russian Olympic Committee, Ministry of Sports of the Russian Federation, Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Ministry of Education and Science of Russian Federation. The International Sport Games got the patronage of the International Olympic Committee and the President of Russia, Dmitry Medvedev. In recognition of the International Olympic Committee, President Jacques Rouge, namely the International Sport Games Children of Asia, became the prototype of the first Youth Olympic Games held in Singapore in August 2010. On behalf of the International Olympic Committee, I'm glad to meet you, young athletes. The Olympic Committee lends its patronage on these International Sport Games Children of Asia once again. Good luck! The International Sport Games Children of Asia got recognition of the Olympic Council of Asia President Sheikh Ahmad Al-Fahad Al-Sabah. Athletes from 16 foreign countries and 27 regions of Russian Federation, with a total of 3,038 participants, took part in the International Sport Games Children of Asia. The most representative delegations were from the Russian regions, the athletes from the Republic of Sakha, Yakutia and Khabarovsk region, from foreign states, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, India and China. In the course of the competitions have been played all 881 medals. Yakutsk held its competition in basketball boys, boxing, volleyball, boys and girls, wrestling, judo, athletics including Yakut jumps, mass wrestling, powerlifting, gymnastics, archery, taekwondo, soccer, checkers, chess, shooting, view demo. Nerengri held basketball, girls, and table tennis. Mirny held rhythmic gymnastics, soccer, dance sport. Here you can see lovely gymnastics carpet and great gymnastic areas. It's nice to know that here sport and its development are the prior aim, because sport is a healthy lifestyle. Large number of sports facilities are involved in the games. The country has only 1,598 sport facilities, including 764 sport halls, 5 sport palaces, 10 riding arenas, 18 stadiums. Only from 1995, Tuimada Stadium with athletic arena, the Ice Palace LA Batur, gym and swimming pool Dalgun, Sport Complex Madum, Palace of Sports 50 Years of Victory, the stadium and the athletic arena youth, and Checkers Chess Center were brought to operation. Mirny, the diamond pride of Yakutia, greets guests at sports stadium facilities and sport complexes Triumph and Kimberley. The town of coal miners Nerengri has a sport complex Shakhtar and stadium Gornyak. In accordance with the decree of the President of the Russian Federation Dmitry Medvedev, Yakutsk was assigned to conduct the International Sport Forum Russia Sport State. At the same time, the Sakha Republic will hold the 5th International Sport Games Children of Asia. In 2012, the International Sport Games Children of Asia and the International Forum Russia Sport State will take place in Yakutia. Young athletes from different countries will come to compete. I wish luck to all of them. Currently, the construction of new modern sports facilities started in Yakutsk. Functional and comfortable sport complex of 3,000 seats will be the one and only large center in the whole far eastern region of Russian Federation. The design of the swimming pool is finished. It includes 50 meters lane, which meets the Olympic standards. The third large sports facility will be a roofed football stadium of 3,000 seats. Besides, soon in Yakutsk airport a new passenger terminal will start operating. It will receive and handle international flights. Organization of the International Sport Games Children of Asia is dictated by the desire to strengthen friendship between the children of Asian continent and regions of Russia, improving sports skills, the definition of strongest athletes to prepare a reserve in the Olympic teams of Russia and the Asian continent, development, promotion and systematization of sports for handicapped children. International Games Children of Asia are becoming increasingly large scale and popularity. For a small but vivid history in the International Games Children of Asia, international sporting Commonwealth have discovered new champions. Tufshin Bayar Naidan, Judo, Mongolia, the champion of 29th Olympic Games in Beijing. Hashbatar Sagan Batar, Judo, Mongolia, the bronze medalist on 28th Olympic Games in Athens, the world champion. Georgy Balakshin, boxing, Russia, the Republic of Sakha-Yakutia. Bronze medalist of the 29th Olympic Games in Beijing, three-time European champion in boxing, the World Championship. Viktor Lebedev, wrestling, Russia, the Republic of Sakha-Yakutia, the World Champion in 2010. Maxim Rakov, judo, Kazakhstan, World Champion 2009. Leonid Spiridonov, wrestling, Kazakhstan, Asian champion in freestyle wrestling, participant of the Olympic Games in Athens and Beijing. Turkish national team, football, champions of Europe among young men in 2004. Turkish national team, basketball, winners of Europe Championship amongst young men in 2004. The march of young athletes, winners of the International Games Children of Asia, from small playgrounds to victories in the largest arenas, goes on and continues. On the giant map of Olympic sports, among more than 200 countries and thousands of areas, there is a room for one, which can meet the children of Asia. Strive and win. From the International Sport Games Children of Asia to Olympic medals. Dear friends, in 2012, two important international events will take place in Yakutsk. The 4th International Sports Forum, Russia, Sport State, and the 5th International Sport Games Children of Asia. Many participants of the International Sport Games Children of Asia gained an Olympic altitude by becoming champions of the Olympic Games in Athens and Beijing. This proves once again the importance of the International Sports Games Children of Asia as the Olympic Reserve training competition. Dear friends, on behalf of organizing committee and the Sakha Republic Yakutia, let me invite you to participate in the International Forum Russia Sport State and the 5th Olympic Sport Games Children of Asia in 2012 in Yakutsk. Thank you for your attention.